Buddhism is one of the world's oldest religions, and this stone relief from ancient Gandhara, which was located in present-day Pakistan and Afghanistan, is an example of Buddhist art that dates to the 2nd century CE. This relief shows the founder of Buddhism, Buddha Shakyamuni, seated on a platform surrounded by his followers at Deer Park. Where is Deer Park, and why is this site significant? Deer Park, located in present-day Sarnath, India, is where the historical Buddha gave his first sermon after he reached nirvana. In Buddhism, nirvana is a state of profound understanding of the true reality of things. Buddha Shakyamuni achieved nirvana after meditating for 49 days under a Bodhi tree at Bodh Gaya in India. After this, he traveled to Deer Park and gave his first sermon. At this sermon, he is said to have set the Dharma wheel in motion. Dharma is Buddhist law or truth, and is represented as a wheel with spokes in Buddhist art. In this relief, notice that the Dharma wheel is located just below the seated Buddha, in between two horned quadrupeds, to help us identify that this scene represents the Buddha's first sermon at Deer Park. The Deer Park sermon is one of the most important sermons that the historical Buddha delivered because it was there that he presented the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The Four Noble Truths are: 1. Life is suffering. 2. The cause of suffering is selfish desire. 3. To end suffering, selfish desire must be eradicated. And 4. There is a path to overcome selfish desire, the Eightfold Path. The Buddha went on to explain that the Eightfold Path consists of right views, right thinking, right speech, right action, right way of life, right endeavor, right mindfulness, and right meditation. In the Gandharan relief, Shakyamuni Buddha is the largest figure in the scene. Seated with his legs crossed on a rectangular platform, he holds his right hand up with palm facing outward in a symbolic hand gesture, or mudra, that means fearlessness. This is also known as the Abhaya Mudra and is a gesture of peace. Surrounding the Buddha to either side and organized in 3 horizontal rows from bottom to top are monks recognized by their shaved heads and lay people or regular people who came to listen to the Buddha's first sermon at Deer Park. Notice how they all face inward, focusing their attention on the Buddha. This relief originally decorated a monumental stupa. A stupa is a reliquary mound or an architectural monument that contains a sacred relic in Buddhism. A relic is a special religious object, like a pinky bone of a religious leader, or something special they owned or touched. Stupa reliefs like this one were used to teach followers about the Buddhist religion, especially the life of the Buddha Shakyamuni.